Man, you try some free shit on me, you want to, I'm gonna beat your motherfucking ass out here, and that's on game. Don't let your kids see this shit. You wanna go on by, come on. You wanna tour around a bit, come on. Come on, I really wanna rub you, but I don't know what you gonna do. Come on, it look like you got the mind or some shit. Come on. I'm gonna fuck you up, man. Hey, World Star, we putting this on live, I'm finna fuck this bell up in here. Come on. Everything I can do a pick or something. I'm gonna fuck your ass up now. Come on, show you some food. I'm finna fuck this bell up in here, y'all. Shit. Oh man, I back down for shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Gangster shit, nigga. That nigga crept up on me. I could have been on the blame, still shot me. But see, man, how you on back down for shit? I couldn't leave the nigga right. I thought they food for him. You know what I think? You know what I'm saying? He doing all the eat shit. I'm about to put his hands on. You know what I'm talking about? That nigga was a gangster nigga. See, the way I thought food for him. But he finna get the hell out of here like he ran shit. That finna happen. Man, you better carry your head down though. Oh, hold up. Watch this. Hold on. What do you think this? Oh, he think that food I got for him. It probably is. But just in case you get froggy and grow frogs, I'm gonna beat the shit out of this bitch with the shovel. Okay. Be shy there with this bit. That nigga got no real star for real. So what my batting average is. He said, damn, like that shit scary, cause that shit I ain't never heard that before. And I know he got a kid, and she got a kid, and she probably gonna do the best she can to defend. But man, I'm gonna tell her ass about this bitch. She done that shit. I don't know what the fuck that is. It's not anything. She blowing out her nose. I ain't got no bacteria shots, okay? You know what I'm saying? Them kids that. Young kid that's wrong up through a bit like she on a bit. Look at the kid. Taking the shit dump something over them. Look at it. Oh. That saved you, man. That right there. I ain't want to do it to you. Cause you know right there, look at the kid, gang. Look at that, ain't had to come in the world. She been hiding her ass out here. Yeah. Hey, hold up. The dog right there, man. I don't hear him. He got kids and shit, man. Yeah, look right there. Say what up to her. Here the kid. Here the kid, gang. I got real food. You can see the moment with mine and shit. You know what I'm saying? I got kids and things. They got 2 on. 5 minutes quick. Put them on. Look at that. Look at. So, big dog, she gonna get the hell out of my shit. You feel? One way or another. Everything, man, back up a bit. I ain't wanna get hit with no snap. No needles in there, no bill. They got a corner street. She live in the store like. She gonna get down doctor again. Drunk need some Medicaid down here. She know it last dying breed. She was on the quit with me, man. She crept up on my head, man. I didn't know she want to rumble her, say what up. See, but when you're aqua, man, you track that kind of shit. One time. Damn, it hit the tree quick. Look at that shit. That scared the shit out of them kids. That motherfucker hit the tree quick on there. That tree right now. That legendary tree. Damn, but man, she hit you right with no cloud. I'm just thinking about that now. Shit. I didn't even melt a J out of this bitch or something, huh? But I'm gonna try to quit these things. Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm gonna run you crazy as hell. I just tell that bitch then break out. Man. They got it on the wood, Lord. I see them branching the wood. Oh, that's full. We'll get back to it. She'll pop back up later.